Hello, first graders. How we doing? We're almost done with school. I wanted to get some English in. We're a little behind, but I wanted to get reading done first, and you have an easy week next week with spelling, so we're going to bring on the English. So, new lesson, we're going to be talking about the letters Y up on the board here and Z. But first, we have some new word families we're going to go over. We have ET says et, ip, L, and ag. Okay, so when you are at home right now, I want you to say these words with me. So we have wet, net, set, pet, get, let, and we're back to wet. Then we have a couple on the back. So we have the word yet, met, vet, jet, and that's all for that family. Okay, now our ip family. So we have the words tip, sip, nip, hip, dip, lip, and we're back to tip, and on the back we have chip, ship, slip, skip, and grip. Oh, and zip. Grip and zip. And we're back to chip. All right. It was a good many words, so I wasn't sure where I was with that one. Okay. Now we have the word tell, sell, well, bell, fell, yell, tell, and we're back to tell, and then on the back is shell. Okay, and then our last word family, and this one's little. We have wag, bag, tag, and zag. All right, very good. All right, so follow me up here. We see our charts Y and Z. Y makes the y sound. So we have yellow, yarn, yo-yo, yogurt. Okay? And I'm sure you can think of other ones. We're actually going to talk about an animal today with a Y. Can you think of one? And for Z, here's our other animal, zebra. We're going to be talking about a zebra today. The zoo, zipper, and zero makes the Z sound. Are you saying those at home? Y and Z. All right, so we're going to be talking about a yak. What in the world, Mrs. Connor? Do you know what a yak is? Okay, I'm going to tell you. So we're going to talk about a yak and a zebra. And they just start with the letter that we're doing for this week. And then you'll see a picture of them in your workbook pages when you do those, okay? So I'm going to scoot down here, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about a yak and a little bit about a zebra, because you might not have known something, and I learned something when I read them. So a yak is like a large ox. It's a really big animal, okay? It's used, it says, as a beast of burden and transportation in the steep mountainous area of the Himalayas. It can grow to be 11 feet tall, weigh up to 1,800 pounds, and live for 20 to 25 years. Now, 85% of the yaks in the world live in Tibet and in China, so not even around here. They're known as, Tibet and China, known as the treasure of the plateau. Yaks provide meat for food, milk and yogurt and butter, hides for tents, hair for carpets and ropes, dung for fuel. That's their poop. I know you're laughing. It's okay. And tails for fly whisks. So they use their tails to swish and whisk flies away. Okay. Zebras are large mammals from Africa. And they are kind of similar to what animal that you know? A horse. Very good. They're similar to a horse, but their fur has distinctive white stripes on a black background, okay? No two zebras have the same fur pattern. You know, God must have been pretty creative to make every zebra look different from the other. That's pretty cool. Just like snowflakes, right? There's no two snowflakes alike. That's pretty neat. Zebras have hooved feet and they can run as fast as 40 miles per hour and may weigh as much as 600 pounds. Their large eyes and ears help them detect predators quickly. They live in family groups and are typically busy, noisy, and very social. That sounds like my classrooms I'm missing. Zebras eat grass and like to be near a watering hole. What do you think it would be like to be a zebra or a yak? I don't know. I think that would be quite interesting. Okay, I'll let you pick which one. All right, very good. That is it for this lesson. I just want to, so you're going to be doing in your English workbook pages 55 and 56. And you'll see some of the endings that we did. And then you have some other endings that we have reviewed before. Real quick though, I want to talk to you about, remember in spelling, Mrs. Connor taught you about the S word, a special ending that goes on the word called a suffix. You're going to have to do the suffix ER on page 55, just so you know. Go ahead and get your English workbook and turn with me to those pages, and Mrs. Connor will go ahead and read you the directions, okay? So page 55, and you'll see our friend, the zebra and yak at the top. All right, so you will have to complete the new word in each family. Draw a line from the picture to the correct word. So we see a picture of a lightning bolt there, okay? But our word family, we see cap, so A-P-C-A-P, nap, and then a Z. So we've got to add what's part of our word family? What's the same ending? AP. So you're going to write AP after the Z, and we have a new word called zap, and that's how lightning goes. So you're going to draw a line from zap to the lightning bolt, okay? And I'll let you do the next one on your own. Then on the bottom part, or the next part, you have to add an S on the left part of that line. There's a little line there. And then on the right, you have to do the suffix ER, okay? On the left, you're going to add an S. I'm not sure if I said that. Sorry. And then at the bottom, circle the correct picture. And the little sentence says, Ben yells. And you're going to circle the right one, okay? Excuse me. On page 56, read the riddle and circle the correct picture. This is kind of like a mystery. So let's do the first one together. It is big. You can jump on it. What is it? You have a picture of a doll and a trampoline. I think that's a pretty obvious answer. That you want to circle the trampoline. You can jump on it and it's big. All right, and I'll let you do the rest of that page, and then that's it, and I'll see you guys here again soon. Bye.